Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Sharma and I have been working with one of the leading public sector banks since last 3 years. I joined as a probationary officer. Today I am here to talk with you people regarding the career progression in banks, and I must tell you that this is one of the most attractive feature of banking industry. Unlike various government departments where you get promotion after years and years of service, the banking industry is for individuals who are very much career oriented, since it offers so much growth opportunities throughout your career, especially if you join as a PO. I will brief it up for you people that how you progress in banks. See, once a person joins as a PO, they get confirmed after 2 years as a scale 1 officer, which is an assistant manager. Now here's a catch to this. Your designation is that of an assistant manager, but there are numerous fields you could be placed at as per your talent and keenness for the banking industry. You could either go in SME segment or in credit segment as a field officer. You can be an accountant or a service manager. For general banking, you can go in forex for international banking or treasury. This is the beauty of banking. It never gets bored. After 1.5 years of which you are eligible for the promotion of scale 2, which is deputy manager. Now apart from the postings we already have talked about, in scale 2 you can also be placed in head offices for operations, HR, or in branches as a branch manager. See, as the scale grade increases, so does the diversity of fields. Moving on further, you get in line and gets promoted to the manager, chief manager, assistant general manager, deputy general manager, and finally to chief general manager, who is the head of whole circle. As the hierarchy increases, so does your authority, power, respect and reputation. But does your growth stop here? No. Now comes the most powerful positions, which are DMDs, MDs and chairmen, and it is us POs only who can reach up to these positions. That is why I must tell you that if you join as a PO, sky is the limit for you. And the best part about this job is that unlike any private sector, some outsider cannot steal your hard-earned promotion. The bank keeps on growing, and so do you with the bank.